Credit card management is a burdensome process for many finance teams. Sage Intacct can help relieve the processes around credit card management and card reconciliation. The option to have a weekly or even daily reconciliation is ideal, and by utilizing Sage Intacct's automation, we can bring in card transactions for next-level efficiency and visibility. This example will focus solely on the credit card and credit card reconciliation process. Bank feed connection and bank reconciliation is available in a separate video. Linking an account in Sage Intacct to your credit card is straightforward. From your credit card account setup, each account will show a tab for the Sage Banking Cloud. This area allows each account to connect to their respective card. Here's a list of popular sites as well as a search option for any not listed here. We are looking for a Discover card. Be mindful to review the URL listed to ensure that you selected the correct institution. If your credit card is not in this list, we can also import your credit card statement data from a standard Excel file. After the setup for this card is completed, the system will begin syncing the credit card transactions directly into Sage Intacct on a nightly basis. Let's look at how this data will help us book and code these transactions and reconcile the credit card. As I reconcile the credit card, I can see the credit card is connected with a feed. I can also use applied rule sets to allow my transactions to automatically match to general ledger or book transactions, or even create book transactions with given logic. In this example, I have a few rules that are being used to settle the book transactions to the credit card. These are notated as create rules, which show certain logics to create transactions within the books off automated transactions from the card. Common charges like Uber can be a great example for this automation. Rather than spending time doing manual journal entries to record credit card charges that vary by amount but are coded the same each time, these create rules can filter through your credit card data and add book transactions automatically. In this example, we're asking Sage Intacct to find transactions matching the logic defined here for Uber and automatically create the journal entry for Intacct. You are not limited by the transaction rules we've showcased here. Create rules can be used for any consistent transactions you see in your credit card spend. Let's move into how these rules can speed up our credit card reconciliation process. While I navigate to the reconciliation, take a moment to think about what consistent credit card data you see today that would be ideal to create automation for. Now that we're back in our reconciliation, notice with feeds turned on the two areas to view, the book and the card transactions. In these filtered views, the solution is filtering to only the transactions that are open and need to be managed. By removing these filters, we can see the unmanaged transactions, and this view highlights the efficiency of how the transactions are both created and matched. This gives your team the ability to manage by exception, and they're only working with transactions that truly need attention. Furthermore, less manual entries gives less opportunity for typos or errors. This card reconciliation process can be used throughout the month and saved in draft status. By tackling this task weekly or even daily, we can true up the book and credit card more often and elevate big end-of-the-month credit card reconciliation tasks. After we've ensured the books match the statement balance, we can now generate a charge card payoff. The process of creating a credit card payment in Sage Intacct is straightforward. Creating a charge card payoff creates an accounts payable bill containing the credit card transactions, which you can then pay on the Pay Bills page. Any negative transactions within a credit card become credits to apply on the Pay Bills page. The bill was created and can now be paid along with other AP items, and you can pay the credit card bill with a check or record an electronic payment made outside from the credit card company directly. As we've reviewed, the process for credit card fees, statement reconciliation, and charge card payoffs, along with the automation surrounding the creation of transactions, can ensure your book balance is updated real time with your charge card spending to save time with both coding and other additional processes. This level of automation and spend visibility can elevate your team to focus on higher priority tasks. If you have any other questions regarding credit cards, credit card connections, or credit card reconciliation, please reach out to your account executive for more information.